If you or someone you know has asthma, these tips could make a big difference. Asthma is a condition that makes it hard to breathe because your airways get inflamed and narrow. Common triggers include dust, pollen, smoke, and even stress. Here's what you need to know. First, watch out for warning signs, like coughing, wheezing, or shortness of breath. Second, always have your inhaler nearby. It works fast to open up your airways during an attack. And third, try to avoid your triggers whenever possible, like keeping your space clean and staying away from smoke. Remember, asthma can be controlled. Talk to your doctor, follow your action plan, and don't let asthma slow you down. Stay informed, stay prepared, and breathe easy.